In this video, you'll learn how to use this course and also what you can expect from it. So first off, we're going to go through how Shopify dropshipping works, meaning we'll show you how the entire system works and what the most common pitfalls are. This is gonna set you up to a great beginning. Next up, you're going to learn how to actually build your Shopify store from scratch. We'll show you how to do all of the banners, how to make it look trustworthy, and how to add in all of the most essential functions. In other words, create a beautiful functioning store. And then you'll learn how to choose your market and products. In other words, what is a profitable market? What signifies a profitable product? There are templates included in here, so you don't have to think too much. We'll show you the guideline of what works and what doesn't. And then it's all about the searching, okay? And then we'll show you how to add those products once you've found your market and once you've found your product. Next up, you'll learn how to start increasing your sales. It's not gonna take too long before your shop is actually converting and selling. In here, you'll learn how to start selling even more. And then you'll learn how to create a sales funnel. In other words, you'll learn how to upsell and cross-sell. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, that's why we have this course and this section. And in the next section, you'll learn how to actually start managing your business, because that's what you have in your hands right now, a business. You'll learn how the taxes work, what kind of budget you should have, how to set up a professional email, how to, in other words, create your business and start managing your business so you can easily live off of this for many, many years to come. Now, in this section, you'll learn how to drive traffic. Now, having a lot of traffic is one of the essential for having a good business. You need customers. So in here, you'll learn how to make highly effective Facebook ads. You'll learn how each ad that you'll be making is going to be returning 3 times the money that you'll be paying for the ad. Now we have templates included for this, and then once you find your profitable ad, we'll show you how to scale it so you get more traffic, more sales, a more profitable business. It's all in this section, driving traffic. Then you'll learn about retargeting, and retargeting basically means targeting people who for whatever reason exited your store. Using this properly, you can get up towards 33% more in sales. And that's all in here. It's actually very simple to do, and it's automated once you set it up. And then you'll learn about order fulfillment. Now, once you start getting a bunch of orders, which you are if you follow this course properly, then you'll learn how to fulfill them both manually, semi-automatically, and then fully automatically. You'll learn all of the different methods in here. And then we're gonna end off with some final touches. For example, some tips and tricks on backing up your site. Remember, this is your business now, and also some words of advice. And then you'll be learning about copywriting. And copywriting is basically salesmanship in print. In this section, you'll learn how to write in a way that's going to be keeping your customers' attention. And once you keep their attention, you allow for a relationship to build. And once you have built a relationship with your customers, that's going to significantly increase your sales. Not only that, but customers will be returning as well. So copywriting is an art, and we'll show you all of the essentials and how to use this beautiful art as efficiently as possible. And then you'll learn what a niche store is and how you will be using a niche store for yourself. If you don't know what it is, don't worry, it's all in here. And we're gonna end this off with a bonus step. And in here, there's a gift for you for taking this course, which is gonna allow you to take the next step in your journey as well. And if there's anything you're wondering within this course, by scrolling up and clicking on the Q&A button here, you're going to be introduced to a bunch of different questions in here. So whatever question you have, all you need to do is click in here and search for it. Let's say you're looking for questions about Aliexpress. So just write Aliexpress here, and then you can look through and search for the question you have. Now, if you don't find your question in here, simply click on Ask a New Question, and we will respond to you within 24 hours. We always respond within 24 hours, and you always do get an answer. And if there's anything in this course that you feel is just going too slow for your taste, all you need to do is go down and click on this button down here, and you can increase the speed of playing the video. You can also decrease the speed if you feel like things are going too fast. And if at any point in your journey you have a question, all you need to do is click on the browse the Q&A in here. You can look through if there's already a question in there, just answering it. If not, click on ask a new question and we will respond to you within 24 hours. So that's the entire course, guys. Now remember, if there's some section in here that you're not interested in or you have already done, like for example, maybe you've already built your Shopify store, then simply skip that section. But I strongly recommend, especially if you're new to this, to go through this course one section at a time, because each section builds upon each other onto the next level. So I strongly recommend that you go through this step by step to learn everything in its most efficient order. That's why we outlined it like this. Okay guys, that's it. We'll see you in the next lecture.